Hi, in our mini-series on special keywords for B1UP, we have now come to the date keywords. So let's jump into Business One and see them in action. The way I'm going to present them is to first show you all the different keywords, and there's a lot, as you can see here on the page. And then I will also talk a little about the format of these keywords. So if I just press this button here, which just use a message to show all the different keywords here, you will see a bunch of different dates in a format of year, month, day. And today, as of this recording, is the 29th of July, so that's the reason why today gave that back. And then same day last year is the same day, but in 2021. So let me close this and then let's go through these over here. Not that we need to go through every single one of them, but you can see they are handy keywords for things you might want to do. Like, for example, same day last year, end of the week, start of the week, next Monday, and so on and so forth. So I will let you explore them on your own. You just simply go to the help file and down by the dynamic syntax and special keywords. They are all listed in this system. And they're fairly explanatory. If we look end of month, yeah, it's probably the end of the month we are in, and so on. So they are very, very handy in order for you to put in defaults in a report, or fill out things like create activity and so on. And there's some one of them that are a bit more advanced, where you can use different numbers. So, for example, in 42 days, you can essentially write anything between in 1 day or 199 days. You can do that for months, years ago, and how long time ago, and so on. So all of them are fairly simple, as I mentioned, and you just use them and you get them back. But as we saw here, they come back in this format, year, month, day. The reason they do that is the default, that whenever you use them in set commands and stuff, that they need that format, the year, month, date format with dashes between. But you might want to use them in different areas. So for that reason, I've taken today in 3 different formats, which we can do here. So today here first in the UI API format, which is just me writing the to-do. So let me quickly have this on the side so you can see it at the same time. So I'm just using today here. But on all the keywords, I'm just using today right now, but every single one of the keywords we saw in the other long list can have an underscore human. And if you do that, it will use the format of the Windows machine that you're running on. So you can see now it's taking it on the 29/7. So you can see exactly the same as it is down here. Or you can put in an underscore SQL, and then you get it in the raw SQL format, which is also year, month, day, but without the dashes. If you use the dashes in SQL, there's certain countries that would have problems. So again, all the keywords can do this. So I could, for example, take start of last quarter underscore human, and I would get that in the human format, or underscore SQL to get it SQL format. But if you just use them out of the box, they will come back in this UI API format, which is the most common to be used. But for example, in a message box to the user, you probably want it in the human format, or if you're using it in a SQL sentence, you of course want it in the SQL format. So that's the reason why all the keywords are actually 3 keywords, 1 default, 1 human, and 1 SQL. Thank you for watching. For more information about keywords, you can go to the following URL, boyum-it.com/links/keywords, where you find all the keywords listed. Thank you for attending, and see you the next time.